Hey guys, this is Philips 5000 series TAB5109 2.0 channel soundbar. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your laptop. Go to your laptop settings, switch Bluetooth on. Also switch Bluetooth on the soundbar. Then select add a device. Select Bluetooth. And now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. Philips TAB5109. Select on it. It's connected and disconnected audio. Then you select done. We're going to test the audio using Orbit sound. So select. This is the audio. this soundbar is connected to this mobile device and also connected to the laptop. And this is Philips Entertainment app. From this app, you can select a lot of features. You can select sound style. It's currently in music, so you can select movie, music, voice, and stadium. Likewise, bass and treble. So you can also adjust the bass and treble as you prefer. Toggle it to the right or to the left. If you toggle it to the left, the treble will be -5. Likewise, the bass, if you toggle it to the left, it will be -5. So you can toggle it all the way to +5. Likewise, you can select sound style, you can select movie, music, voice, and stadium. So these are the features. You can also control this using the remote control. You can connect this to the mobile phone and laptop at the same time. So you can select the sound style, dialogue enhancement, surround sound, DTS Visual X is on, auto audio, you can switch it on and off, advanced sound control, AVA, likewise light control, source control, source is Bluetooth, music. So these are the features with this soundbar. We connected it to the phone and laptop, so you can connect multiple devices. If you want to switch auto volume, it gives you option for you to switch auto volume and also night mode. You can select basic volume control. So you can control the volume from the app. This audio is from the laptop. This is the remote control. So the sound style, so movie will show you all the lights will highlight when it's on movie. When it's on music, it will show you white light 5. When it's on voice, it will show you white light 3. When it's on stadium, it will show you 1 white light. The good thing is if you connect it using Philips Entertainment app, you can easily select particular sound style that you want. TAB5109 Philips Soundbar. You can also control the volume just by tapping this. Decrease the volume also by tapping minus. This is Bluetooth source, power on and off. So if you haven't got a remote control, you can also control this by tapping this. Thank you very much indeed. This soundbar deserves your attention. You have a lot of control with this soundbar. You can select your sound style, enhance dialogue, treble, control the bass, etc. Thank you.